Good morning, everybody. One of the things I wanted to bring to everyone's attention is that we're going to be in a very heavy earnings week starting tomorrow, and the reports from publicly traded companies and how they're going to trade. Is the market fully valued for the news? We're going to show you why. And Amazon is the best one out here, okay? So AMZN is the symbol. This is a weekly chart. I will just point out the fact that that low was 1232, and that was on 1/7. Now, if you look at the high here, that was 1402. The low was 1296. This low here was diminished in price at 1280. So there's been a big rally. Amazon's going to report their release. I'm cautious on it for one reason. We already made the trade, and that how many dollars of good news is already priced in, and it's this price right here. And they wanted to own it. I can show you right here, $447 went into Amazon as far as the money flow, hitting the highs of 1402.05. That's what that looks like. And that the low was the key trade. And expiration Friday, there was some volatility in this week, and there was, but volatility is here to stay, and something the market haven't experienced for a long time. Uh, Bull markets have patterns over the years. We'll talk about that in a different thing. So here we were right here. This is where we're at. I'm going to show you part two. Hold on. One of the things that we're going to want to cover, I have a 1330 call, which we bought back over here, going to go into the earnings this week with Amazon. And this is the $330 calls that we bought. We bought various different contracts, as everybody knows is. We bought the 1380 contracts, and we can see with the 1380 contracts, you would have been very rich. Just buying 10 contracts here for about $8,000, you'd be about $45,000 richer on this particular strike price. And this is a call chart. And at the same time that you can see here, this is a daily chart. I'm going to mark this daily chart over here for you. And you can see the daily chart starts in 2018 on Amazon. It pulls back. There was a couple of good put option trades in here, and then now we've been breaking up all the way up here. Listen, I'm going to caution everybody for one reason, because when you take a look at the $380 calls that we bought after our other ones were going up big time, we also took a look at what we call the 1390 call. And originally on this 1390, we bought them, and I gave my target out. So 1, 2, 3, this is a 5-day trade, and you could have got in on the options down here for a very good price. It would have been very, very cheap. But right now I'm warning everybody that we have been running up, buying the calls down here at $11 and selling them all the way up here using a call chart that you guys that do trade options, you know who you are. You don't use call charts, put charts. Probably never seen them before. We also traded the 1400 call, and look at that $1,400 call. You want to talk about cheap? Could have got in here at $9 a contract, went parabolically up. Here where my pointer is on Amazon, went straight up. The stock did at 1402. The calls went straight up right along with Amazon. So what I am going to tell everybody is to be cautious about Amazon. Yes, it's a great bull market, but things do get, look at what was ever going to happen for the earnings. A lot of it's already built in that wonderful move up. We even went up another 24 points on Friday expiration with the money flow up $447,528,649 on 4.85 157.31 is the volume right here. So definitely this is the Amazon. This is the biggest trade with all those strike prices. And I'm giving, if you weren't in ahead of time, there's got to be a big pullback, hopefully, and that people can get in. Stay tuned at freeoptiontrader.com.